Hello, 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 hello. All right, so I would feel like a complete jerk if I didn't also let y'all know on some of our low days around here. So I share with y'all all of our big wins, all of our highs, all of our, six-figure closings and all of the things at Whitney Buys Houses. Today, I want to tell you that life hits really hard every great once in a while. Hey, Pam. And I'm processing through some stuff because unfortunately, sometimes my ambition is bigger than my stomach, bigger than my actual physical capacity can handle at this moment. And I think that happens to a lot of us. Type A overachiever. I can conquer the world in a day and one single leap. And I just want to remind everybody and myself that sometimes little bitty baby steps of progress are still progress. And even if it feels like you just got knocked back a year and a half on your goals or on your vision board or whatever, it'll be okay. Everybody will be fine. It only takes one phone call to turn it all around. I tell the girls in the mastermind that you're one phone call away. You're one seller lead sheet away. You're one bandit sign away. You're one website tweak away. Sometimes you're one Facebook post away. One of my girls, Ashley, put up a post. She was trying to find money to flip a house, and she put up a post. And she's in California. Somebody in Indiana saw her post, and they happened to have closed an inheritance and got 100 grand. And they were like, "Hey, if you need 100 grand, I got 100 grand." So she was literally one Facebook post away from the worst day of her life turning into the best day of her life. I talked to other people who are smack dab in the middle of a valley, and sometimes they actually are in a valley and have crappy cell phone service because those mountains block out everything, including sunlight sometimes, right? But when they scratch and crawl themselves back up to the top of the mountain and cell phone service comes back in and they've missed a call, they've got a voicemail from somebody that's got $15,000 ready to put down and move into one of their houses, that worst day flips right around with one phone call. My phone has rung a lot today, but I haven't got the one phone call that I've been waiting on. So, taking my own advice today, I'm looking for that one phone call. A lot of y'all are waiting on one phone call to change it all around. You're waiting on one email to change it all around. You're waiting on one Facebook post from somebody else, maybe to turn it all around, or maybe somebody's waiting on your phone call. Maybe there's somebody you need to call to change it around for them. Maybe there's a post that you need to put up to change it around for somebody else. I hope this video encourages some of y'all to know that you can reach out if you're in a valley. And sometimes I'll give you some pretty tough love, which is what I've had a very big spoonful of today. And I have a feeling Jason will give me a little bit more words of encouragement and tough love at dinner to help get me out of this valley. Y'all got to keep going. It's just a valley. There's lots of them. You know, that roller coaster thing that we all see as entrepreneurs all the time? It looks like it's just a straight shot to private jets and Lamborghinis and first class and staying at the Ritz and millionaires and other people just rolling in the dough, right? That's what it looks like. It takes like no time. It's just an overnight success, right? That's what it looks like. But we all know that the entrepreneur roller coaster is actually a, oh my gosh, oh no, oh no, oh yes, oh no. And for every couple steps up, there's got to be just a correction so that you can climb again. It's not an escalator. It is most definitely the stairs or just some path out in the woods, and you just got to forge your way through it and figure it out as you go. But you got to keep going. I know it's bad, and I know it's dark, and I know it's scary, but go get some ice cream. We are having ice cream for dinner, right?
You can. I'm not.
Just keep going. Even if you got to take a couple steps back and then go ramrodding at it. It'll be there. Your deals will be waiting on you. Your people will be waiting on you. And you can do this. If it packs a punch, I felt like a punching bag yesterday, but tomorrow I'll be ready to punch back. Y'all keep going. I'm going to keep going. Scratching and clawing my way. But you got to keep going. Okay? There have been lots of shining moments today. There have been lots of glimmers of hope. There have been lots of cardinals out on my windowsill out there. There have been lots of great messages. Every storm has a ending, has a silver lining, and I've had lots of support, lots of encouragement, lots of love today. Just getting ready to run at it again. So, y'all keep going, even if it feels like you're taking a step back. Sometimes you're taking a step back on purpose, and it's the right thing to do at that time. So I'm going to keep going and focus where I need to focus. And y'all focus on what you need to focus on. Maybe make that post. Maybe make that phone call that you need. Maybe push it. Maybe it's your chance to punch. Do it to it, girls. Get those deals done. I promise I want you to be a successful real estate investor just as bad as you want to be a successful real estate investor. Sometimes that's going to mean you got 6 empty houses. I did this last summer too. I got to get better at this. Thank you all so, so much. And I put a post up today that I can't wait for June 25th, 2020, so that this will come up in my memories and I can remember how real the struggle was. And remember that it's not the struggle that's real, it's the up level that's real. Unfortunately, I have asked for all of these situations and I am handling them the best that I can. And I cannot wait for this video to come up and think, good God, girl, shut up. Nobody cares. So here's to the up level to June 25th, 2020. I'm going to have some ice cream for that tonight. Y'all keep going. It's all going to work out.